In this video, I'll be sharing with you a Web3 platform that rewards its users for doing the same thing they do on other social media platforms. Now, this social media platform is just like TikTok, YouTube, and every other social media platform. But the difference is, immediately you get started with the platform, you will be getting rewards every single day. Anytime you like a video, you get reward. Anytime your videos are being liked by other people, you get reward. And this coin, the RPK coin that this platform have, is also trading live on CoinMarketCap. Okay, if I type in RPK, you are going to see the price of the coin. You can see this is Republic coin. A few days ago, this coin was trading at 0.04 rather, and now it is currently trading at 0.05. Can you see that? So this platform is going to help you earn as much as you can when it comes to the share profit of the RPK token. Okay, so which platform is that? That is Republic. That is what? Republic. And here it is. So on Republic, you do the same thing you do on other social media platforms, like I said. On the home page, that is where you see people's feeds, videos, pictures, and when you like them like I do now, you'll be getting reward every single day for that. You can explore other users, find trending topics that you can involve yourself with, okay, and gain ideas on how to create your own post on this platform. You can upload your own posts, whether video or pictures, whichever one you want to do. You can do that straight away without any hustle. Okay, then the activities, you see, this is where you see people who liked your post, who followed you, and the rest of that. And you also see how you earned the XP. This XP that you are going to be earning is what you are going to use. That is what is going to be used to qualify how you are going to get how many RPK token you are going to be getting at the end of everything. That's when it will be time for you to be getting your reward. As you can see here, it says XP represents your contribution to building Republic and will be used to calculate your share of RPK reward. Members who create a fun, engaging, and inclusive environment will earn the most XP. So if you invite anyone, you'll be getting 10 XP. If you log in or check into the app every single day, you'll be getting 20 XP. If you get 5 followers, you'll be getting 5 XP for those 5 followers, and the maximum is 50 XP a day. If you also like 5 times different posts 5 times, you'll be getting 5 XP every single. So this is what you do to earn XP, and at the end you'll be rewarded. Now if you are checking in every day for the next 7 days in a row, you'll be getting a reward at the end. As you can see, I am going to be getting a reward in the 7th day in a row if I keep on logging into this app. So currently I'm on 61 XP. Okay, so if you want to join this platform and make use of it and earn the most, click the link in the description of this video and you can be able to position yourself for greater things to come.